Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com here with Trade Theory on the Dow 30 today. And I'm going to analyze that and show you what I see as of January 20th, 2024. So this is the chart. I'm going to zoom in here, and this is price on a daily basis. Zoom out to monthly, and we can see here the price is definitely looking to go higher. Prices come out of this consolidation area, moved above there, came back, and it's definitely established itself, wanting to move higher for the, I'm sorry, this is gold, excuse me. So let me go ahead. I'll do gold since I'm on this, then I'll come back and do the Dow 30 in another video. So this is gold, actually, and prices moved higher and on the monthly, and I'm looking for price to make another push higher. This is the weekly, doesn't really give us much information, but going down to the daily, what we have here is prices actually in the short term showing that it is actually bearish right now, but I'm definitely looking for price to close back above the 2054.08, 2054.08 level. And that would definitely reestablish bullishness on gold over the course of the next week or so. So look for that, for price to go higher to that level, and then we can really safely say that price wants to continue higher. But if it doesn't, price will probably move back down into around the somewhere around the 1984 range, and maybe as low as 1978.51. But I probably would set price somewhere in between these two pivot points, so about 185 pips, maybe about 170, 180, something like that. 1980, 164 would not be unreasonable, but I definitely think price would want to come back around and go north. So the short term is showing that the market is maybe moving shorter for gold, but over the coming weeks, price definitely looks like it wants to go higher. So I will be bullish net on barring, some pullbacks that could happen. Price may be moving down to as low as 1937.50, which is realistic. But at that point, if it did, I will be gearing up to take some buy trades on this because gold is definitely set up to go higher. So I'm bullish on gold. And the thing that's interesting about this is that the markets are poised to go higher as well. So we'll see if there's any type of inversion of activity, but gold and the markets, which generally don't move in the same direction, are actually moving in the same direction. So that shows that there's a real desire for gold right now as an asset. Matter of fact, I think that gold is probably eclipsing things like Bitcoin as true stores of value, because gold is intrinsically valuable. So maybe that's why price is still going up, even though the markets are continuing higher. And the reason I say that is because in many cases, when you have risk on assets like the Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ, once they are going higher, generally that means there's an aversion to what we call safer assets or more conservative assets like gold or certain precious metals. And so the fact that they're going in tandem means that there's just a heavy demand and a heavy desire for certain types of assets that are not just speculative as far as the market is concerned, but definitely something that people can find some type of safety, at least in their minds or psychologically with. But definitely, no matter what the thought or the reason is, that gold is looking like it's positioned to go higher. Maybe, like I say, some downward movement over the next week or so, but definitely will be looking to buy gold in the short term. Not only short term, but in the long term specifically. So use that as you will. I hope it aligns with what you see happening or what you may have been thinking you needed to have solidified as far as a bias. The bias is definitely long over the long term for this. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy trading.